this like a trauma thing? I cried. Good morning, everyone. Today is like my 5th day here already, or I think 6th day here in Bali. And if my face is so puffy, just ignore that, because like I cried so much when my man left to go back. I'm still coping. This is like the shitty part of having a long distance relationship. If you can see, guys, this is my new villa. I wake up in the morning hearing the sound of the tweeting of the birds, and it kind of feels safe. But I don't know, something in my mind, guys, I don't know why, because of also that, I kind of feel so anxious. Like, is this like a trauma thing? Because like everything like kind of looks so safe, I kind of feel unsafe because I'm not used to feeling safe. Does it make sense? I actually feel better now, thank God. So be with me. Please be with me. Okay, let's start our day.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine.
Lol, I have ended up going to this place where me and Ayushman has gone to the other day, and now I'm just missing him so much more. Now, universe, what are you doing to me?
Funny, we ran out of ends. Now you only make me
Okay,
say, think
1 hour away. Okay, let's go there.
'cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a time that I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. 'Cause I know that all I know, it's time to go. It's time to go.
Hello, kiddos. So it's already almost 6 p.m. TBH, I just basically searched what is the nearest good beaches in Ubud, and I didn't know that it's in Seminyak. And I think I like it here, knowing that there's so much things you can do here. You can do the horseback riding in the beach, you can surf and have just the beach day, and still have this good shops within the city. I think Seminyak would be the best place for me. Although I think the best beaches are really in Uluwatu. Don't quote me on that. If you're a beach person, then definitely you should visit Uluwatu, and then Seminyak, and then Ubud, and then Canggu. Okay, so I've just got here into this place. It's called Grilled Healthy Burgers. Look at this. He's so big. Damn. Really good for a vegetarian burger. This part of the vlog is the most important thing that I have ever done in Bali, and I know that I wouldn't want to go back in Philippines not experiencing the cleansing rituals. This is usually done in some temples in Bali, and this is really innate in the spirituality and the belief of the Indonesian people. They're saying that the yellow part of the sarong should be shown and it should be on top. I can understand now how they do this. The ritual would start with a meditation by just simply sitting down, doing your prayer, and giving your offerings to the God and asking God to allow you to do the cleansing ritual by preparing your body, your mind, and your heart.
We have three holy pools for purification ritual, but all the fountain here so different from here, not same. In the first pool, this fountain useful to cleansing. Second pool, the other type, fountain useful to forgiveness. Forgiveness. And the last pool, this fountain useful for blessing. You do it one by one. Second to ten, this fountain useful to cleansing our negativity. If you have done here in the first pool, you crossing to second pool. First one, start first forgive bad karma, and the last one forgive broken promise.
Of all the pools and fountains in this ritual, this is the one that I really shed my heart out. And for some reason, it's the second fountain which symbolizes the broken promises. It's a broken promises of the people who've hurt you, broken promises that you have uttered to yourself. And I was just really taking my time there, crying my heart out to the God. Is the satisfying feeling of the true cleansing that I have felt in this ritual. It was beautiful. It was freeing.
And then you go to third pool. In third pool, only the first fountain, not just. So the most important is fountain because we use for all blessing, for blessing. You can ask for protection, you can ask for your healthy, ask for everything.
Right now, we are going to the Reng waterfall, which is very near also in the Tirta Temple. He's saying around 25 to 30 minutes drive with the two-wheelers, which is what I'm doing right now. Let's go! The entrance already is only 30,000 per person, and once you already come in here from the ticket booth, they are saying that it's just a 5-minute walk down to the waterfall. I'm very excited, guys, because this is like one of the best tourist spot also that you can do. But I can hear the waterfall now. Guys, so you can see me. We are already here at Tibumana waterfall. So it's like already like 10 minutes away from the Goa Reng. Actually, it's a good idea to have this as your last stop because there's already like a lot of restaurants here. Before going here, meron ding isa pang waterfall na hindi na namin pinuntahan because I'm much more interested of this Tibumana.
Yeah. Would you like?
Thank you.
Waterfall. Tibumana Waterfalls. Guys.
Definitely one of the prettiest falls. So, kapag mag-fall hopping talaga kayo, guys, this should be your last spot because it's really pretty, and I'm very lucky also that there's like a few tourists here right now. I can get the shots, like the money shots. It makes me recall Maria Cristina Falls, our own Maria Cristina Falls. It's just majestic. I forgot my slippers. I forgot it.